Yeah, if you were in the film industry, what job would you want, Sabrina?
Well, I don't know what to tell you. I make videos sometimes. That's about it.
You make your own films, right?
Yeah. No, it's definitely gonna happen. Because if not, then what's the point of society?
The things I do for the perfect shot.
I'll put in the sound from this video. It's kind of related to how media and memories connect.
Fifi
and
is on
how
their way
my
16
memories are all
seconds ago. Let's
captured
just
by
say hush.
video and blah blah blah.
Your toes.
Memories. My memories. My photography is mainly based around memories and keeping them in my mind for as long as possible. My memory already isn't all that great, so having images and videos helps me remember the good times. Photography in general is how I choose to remember things I've done and experiences I've had. Cameras can help people fully capture these experiences and allow them to go back and literally re-watch moments of their past. I wanted this video assignment to also be a way for me to look back on this summer years later and remember everything I got to do. Most summers I sit at home alone, so when I had things to do this summer, I took photos or videos of everything. I take photos all the time anyways, which you would know if you'd seen my photo wall at home. My photo wall is the biggest wall in my room, covered in photos I have of my memories throughout life. Some photos were given to me by my family, some I took and printed out, and many were taken on a film camera I started taking photos on in 9th grade when quarantine started. I hope that I can keep this photo wall going wherever I go in life and take it with me along the way. This montage is essentially a video version of my photo wall for the 2022 summer. I hope you enjoyed watching videos from my summer 2022 because I definitely enjoyed living it.
Time is no good, old man.
What's it got for you?
Same old thing. You ever hear it on the pipes?
I saw only the glare.
I pity you.
Do you? How are your boots?
Forget it. What?
Those old straps aren't where they used to be. Those things still cut at least?
When I really want him to.
Oh yeah? Where do they lead you?
The old barn hay. The ends are all burnt up.
The old roots aren't for you to know.
Remind me when a choice was something I had.
You had everything. You ought to talk.
I don't know.
Crunch of time is the only purpose for you.
Won't that keep the noise out?
Do you consider yourself noise?
I would hope not, but the wild blows away from the serenade.
Your words rise above this faulty place. Everything seems to scratch your plate, yet you stay.
I'll make my way through.
No, you won't. You are the creator.